Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Royal Knowledge and Royal Secret, Chapter 9, Shloka 2. This royal science, royal secret, the supreme purifier, realizable by direct intuitive knowledge according to the Dharma, is very easy to perform and imperishable.
Chapter 9, Shloka 2. Raja Vidya Raja Guhyam Pavitram Idam Uttamam Pratyaksha Dharmyam Susukam Kartum Avyayam.
Chapter 9, Shloka 2. There are two eternal paths to choose from in life: the path of light and the path of darkness, the path of no return and the path of sure return explained earlier. Lord Krishna advocates for Arjuna the path of light, as he is his well-wisher and extremely dear to him, and so he showers praises for the path of light in order that he may be encouraged to choose it. Vedanta not only teaches the art of right action but the entire way of right living. It is not a part-time religion. Lord glorifies it. This is the royal science, the royal secret, pure and high. Lord calls it the royal science as the arguments in support of it are very logical and there is no room for any blind faith. It is the royal secret as it cannot be known unless revealed by the knower. The self cannot be known by the means of knowledge by which we, the world of names and forms. Lord Krishna, the self, and can help us to discover it as our essence if we are willing to practice the disciplines for knowing it. The self is the subtlest of all, hence it is the supreme purifier. All the great elements are the impurities which dissolve into nothingness in it. To know the self, an integrated equipment is required. When the intellect is subtle and the mind joyously comes under its discipline, then through that integrated mind intellect blossoms into the intuitive knowledge by which the self is attained. It is as per Dharma, the law of being, the science of the self, the essential factor which upholds everything together. It is clearly comprehensible as it can be apprehended directly by the immediate experience of the self. It is very easy as it is the experience of one's own self. We are not dependent on anybody else. The gain is not perishable or temporary. The royal science of self-development is of an imperishable nature. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.